Good morning, YouTube. Are you interested to know what the daily grind is like for a life scientist, huh? Well, let me tell you, it's not all just playing with beakers and test tubes like in the movies, although that can be pretty fun too. Most days, we're up to our eyeballs in experiments, data analysis, and trying to make sense of all the crazy stuff we see under the microscope. But it's not all boring lab work either. We get to collaborate with other scientists, teach and mentor the next generation of researchers, and stay on top of the latest cutting-edge research. So, buckle up and let me give you a sneak peek into the daily routine of a life scientist. The routine normally planned ahead. As a life scientist, your daily routine is focused on the study of living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environment. You may work in various fields such as biology, microbiology, zoology, botany, ecology, or genetics, and your work may be in the laboratory or the field. Your daily routine will vary depending on your specific area of research, but there are some general activities that most life scientists engage in on a daily basis. Planning and preparation. Before starting your experiments, you need to plan and prepare for them. This involves reviewing previous research on the subject, designing experiments, preparing samples, and setting up equipment. You also need to plan out your schedule for the day and prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance. Conducting experiments. Once you have everything prepared, you will spend much of your time conducting experiments. Depending on your research, this may involve working with microscopes, analyzing samples, collecting data, or manipulating genetic material. You need to be meticulous and precise in your work to ensure accurate results. Data analysis. After collecting data, you need to analyze it. This may involve using specialized software or statistical tools to identify patterns or trends. You will also need to interpret the results and draw conclusions based on the data. Collaborating with colleagues. Science is a collaborative field, and life scientists often work with other researchers on projects. This may involve meeting with colleagues to discuss research findings, brainstorming new ideas, or coordinating efforts on a project. Writing reports and papers. Once you have analyzed your data and drawn conclusions, you need to communicate your findings to others. This may involve writing reports, papers, or presentations for scientific conferences. You need to be able to clearly communicate complex ideas in a way that is understandable to others in your field. Staying up to date with research. As a life scientist, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest research and advances in your field. This involves reading scientific journals, attending conferences, and keeping up with news in your area of research. Teaching and mentoring. Many life scientists also have teaching or mentoring responsibilities. This may involve supervising students, teaching classes, or giving lectures. This is an important part of sharing knowledge and inspiring the next generation of scientists. Other aspects of the job. Let me share with you some non-exciting aspects of the job. This includes securing bookings for analytical instruments, handling funding updates for the research grant, tidying up progress reports for weekly updates at meetings, amongst others. There is never a dull moment in the job of a life scientist. Summary. In conclusion, the daily routine of a life scientist is focused on conducting research, analyzing data, and communicating findings to others. It involves a combination of laboratory and fieldwork, collaboration with colleagues, and staying up to date with the latest research. It is a challenging and rewarding profession that requires dedication, attention to detail, and a passion for discovery. Closing. If you're enjoying the content you're seeing here, be sure to give us a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Liking our videos not only shows us that you appreciate the content we're creating, but it also helps our videos reach a wider audience. Join our community of like-minded viewers by liking and subscribing to our channel today. We appreciate your support.